Question 1. Which among the following was the immediate cause of Quit India movement? Correct answer is A. Failure of Cripps mission. Quit India movement was started on the 8th of August 1942, and it is also known as August Kranti. The slogan, Quit India, was coined by Yusuf Meher Ali. Question 2. Who was the third satyagrahi of individual satyagraha in 1940? Correct answer is B. Brahma Dat. Mahatma Gandhi had chosen Acharya Vinoba Bhave as the first satyagrahi to start individual satyagraha, and Jawaharlal Nehru as the second, and Brahma Dat as the third. Question 3. Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly on the 8th of April 1929 as a protest to which of the following bill, act? Correct answer is B. Public Safety Bill. Question 4. Who founded the Indian Home Rule Society in London? Correct answer is A. Shyamji Krishna Varma. He also founded the journal The Indian Sociologist. Question 5. Which of the following was referred to as a post-dated check by Gandhiji? Correct answer is B. The Cripps Proposal. The Cripps mission headed by Stafford Cripps was sent by the British government to India in March 1942 to obtain Indian cooperation for Second World War. Question 6. New India and Commonweal newspapers were started by. Correct answer is A. Annie Besant. Annie Besant launched the Home Rule League in September 1916 at Madras. She was also elected as the first woman president of the Indian National Congress at the Calcutta session in 1917. Question 7. The call of Back to the Vedas was given by. Correct answer is B. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He also founded the Arya Samaj on the 10th of April 1875 in Bombay. Question 8. The idea of federation was first proposed in. Correct answer is D. Nehru Report of 1928. The Nehru Report was prepared by a committee of the All Parties Conference, held in 1928 under the leadership of Motilal Nehru, the father of Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 9. Who is referred to as Frontier Gandhi? Correct answer is C. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He also founded the Khudai Khidmatgar, or Servants of God, movement in 1929. Question 10. On which among the following dates, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? Correct answer is B. April 13, 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also called Massacre of Amritsar, was an incident on April 13, 1919, in which British troops, under General Dyer, fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians in an open space. Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood in protest of the Jallianwala massacre. Question 11. Who had become a member of the Brahmo Samaj in 1856, and founded his own breakaway, Brahmo Samaj of India, in 1866? Correct answer is B. Kasab Chandar Sen. Raja Ram Mohan Roy founded Brahmo Sabha in 1828, which was later renamed Brahmo Samaj. Question 12. Under whose presidentship, Congress split into two groups? Correct answer is A. Rash Bihari Ghosh. The Indian National Congress was split into two groups in 1907 at Surat. Question 13. Who said, one caste, one religion, one God for humankind? Correct answer is C. Sri Narayana Guru. Question 14. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? Correct answer is B. Lord Canning. The revolt of 1857 was started at Meerut on May 10, 1857. Question 15. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed on. Correct answer is D. March 5, 1931. In this pact, Gandhi agreed to end the civil disobedience movement in India, and to join the Second Round Table Conference. Question 16. Who of the following attended all the three Round Table Conferences? Correct answer is C. B. R. Ambedkar. Question 17. Which of the following was the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha? Correct answer is C. Vallabhbhai Patel. Bardoli Satyagraha was led by Vallabhbhai Patel at Bardoli, Gujarat in 1928. Question 18. The Ghadar Party was founded at San Francisco, USA by. Correct answer is B. Lala Hardayal. The party was formed in the United States in 1913. Question 19. When was the Dandi March undertaken? Correct answer is B. The 12th of March 1930. The 24-day march lasted from the 12th of March 1930 to the 6th of April 1930 as a direct action campaign of tax resistance and nonviolent protest against the British salt monopoly. The march covered over a distance of 240 miles. Question 20. According to Dadabhai Naoroji, Swaraj means. Correct answer is B. Self-government. Dadabhai Naoroji, known as Grand Old Man of India. The demand for Swaraj was first raised in Calcutta session of India National Congress in 1906. Question 21. Who said about Mahatma Gandhi that he is a half-naked fakir? Correct answer is A. Winston Churchill. Question 22. The only session of Indian National Congress, which was presided by Mahatma Gandhi, was held at. Correct answer is A. Belgaum. The 39th session of the Indian National Congress, held at Belgaum in 1924, was the only Congress session presided over by Mahatma Gandhi. Question 23. Who among the following introduced Rayatwari system in Madras? Correct answer is C. Sir Thomas Munro. In Rayatwari system, the ownership rights were handed over to the peasants. British government collected taxes directly from the peasants. Question 24. As per Cabinet Mission Plan, the strength of the Constituent Assembly would be. Correct answer is A. 389. Question 25. The Pune Pact was an agreement between. Correct answer is B. Gandhi and Ambedkar. It was signed on September 24, 1932. Question 26. Who among the following was Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal, 1905? Correct answer is B. Lord Curzon. Partition of Bengal was announced on the 19th of July 1905 by Lord Curzon, the then Viceroy of India, and implemented on the 16th of October 1905. Question 27. The resolutions on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed in which of the following sessions of the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is A. Karachi 1931. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the president of the session. Question 28. Subhash Chandra Bose was re-elected the president of Indian National Congress at the Tripuri session in 1939 by defeating Gandhiji's candidate _. Correct answer is D. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. Question 29. At the stroke of midnight when the world sleeps, India awakes to life and freedom. This famous speech was given by. Correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 30. Which among the following viceroys was associated with the Ilbert Bill controversy? Correct answer is C. Lord Ripon. The Ilbert Bill was introduced on the 9th of February 1883, during the viceroyship of the Lord Ripon. Question 31. What was the name of the first newspaper to announce the partition of Bengal on July 6, 1905? Correct answer is A. Sanjeevani. Question 32. The office of Governor General of India was created by The. Correct answer is C. Charter Act, 1833. The first Governor General of India was Lord William Bentinck. Question 33. Who said, the Simon Commission report should be thrown on a heap of rubbish? Correct answer is B. Shivaswamy Iyer. Question 34. Which day was declared as the Direct Action Day by the Muslim League? Correct answer is B. The 16th of August 1946. Question 35. Sunset law is associated with. Correct answer is B. Zamindari system. The permanent settlement was also known as the Zamindari system. It was introduced in 1793 by Lord Cornwallis. Question 36. India attained dominion status on. Correct answer is B. The 15th of August 1947. Question 37. Who declared, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Correct answer is B. Bal Gangadhara Tilak.